Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your Xbox game bar is not opening or not working in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to the start menu here of Windows here, click on it, and then you just have to go to the settings option here. Click on settings here. After opening the settings here, you need to go to the apps option here. Click on apps here, and in the apps and features option here you need to scroll down and find the Xbox game bar here, and you can see the Xbox game bar is here. So click on it and you have to choose the advanced option here. Click on advanced option, and if you scroll down you will find the option called repair here. So you just need to repair your Xbox game bar here, so just click on it and it will just take a few seconds to repair it, and hopefully this will solve your problem. So just go to the Xbox game bar again and try to open that, and if that doesn't work, has another solution for you. So you just need to go to the search bar here and search for PowerShell here. Search for PowerShell, and Windows PowerShell is here, so just right click on it and run as administrator here. Click on run as administrator, and this will open the Windows PowerShell here. So you need to put a command line here, so this command line will be in the description box. You can just copy it from the description, just copy it, then just paste it in the PowerShell here. Then what you need to do is just press enter, and it will reinstall your Xbox game bar, and hopefully that will work for you, and restart your computer and it will start to work the Xbox game bar. So if this work for you, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.